In this video, I'm going to show us how to finally save our device holder and then put it in my Dropbox, which is the place where we share files, so I can take your file and move it to the laser engraver Illustrator file, essentially. So what I do here is I want to make sure that right now I have everything the way I want it. Alright, so I have my top portion filled out. That's mandatory. You have to have this in your stylus holder. There must be something here to laser engrave. You also have your bottom right corner, your actual logo put together too. Remember, this should be working together, not just a bunch of symbols randomly strewn everywhere. And then lastly, if you want extra stuff, this is extra. Alright, moving these things around, laser engraving our device slots. Now, I'm going to file save. Go to the file menu on top, go to save. One of the things you can do is save as, and just make sure this is going to your H drive in your 6th grade IT folder if you have one, or just your H drive if you don't, depending if you organized it, and then hit save one last time. It already exists. I want to replace it, yes, and then hit OK. That happens if you try to do the save as over the same file name as you had before. Now, lastly, we're going to go into Schoology. So into Schoology, into my class, we're going to go to the Rogers All About Me logo, and down towards the bottom here, there is a thing that is called Lehmann's Dropbox. When you select this, it doesn't really do much besides kick you to a couple hours you can select, and I have it laid out as first hour, second hour, and third hour. That's because I usually have classes in those 3 hours. Now, we're going to move this one to being called our first hour Dropbox. So I'm just going to make sure my folder's cleaned up quick. So in my first hour, make sure that I have all my stuff cleaned up. Delete for everyone. Now the next thing is, this is going to be I'm going to rename this. Edit to 5th hour. And then from here, I am going to click on this, which takes me to another random space. Click one more time or pop it out, either way works. And it takes me to my Dropbox. It'll ask you for some more information. Please put your first and last name, your email, your school email works just fine, and then it'll say choose files. So choose your file, and this is where you have to navigate your computer. Yours would be your desktop, and then your H drive, and then you should be able to find your device holder final in there. Mine's in my 6th grade IT, and there's my device holder final. Once I open it, it will say, do you want to upload? And here's the stuff where you enter your information. Alright, so I have my first name, last name, and then I hit upload. Now, once you have this little message at the end saying done, that means it's good to go. So thanks, you were all done. And then I should have your stuff ready to go. Please now make sure your name, is on the bottom of your device holder. There's not many that I haven't found yet that I've had you put those on. But also, please move your device holder back to the box by the laser engraver. And also make sure it's been graded. Thank you. Have a good day.